What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2024 Hyundai Sonata and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to change a tire in very easy steps. The first thing you're going to do is get out of the way of traffic, so pull over to the side of the road, pull up to a gas station, a parking lot, but get out of the way of traffic. The third step is to make sure that you engage the parking brake. There you go. Make sure you find a flat surface. Make sure your car is not parked on a hill or it will roll over and hit other vehicles. And then we're going to go to the trunk. Locate your spare tire and your tools right there. You're going to take your jack. You have to unscrew your spare tire. There you go, put that to the side. There you go, so now you have your spare tire and your jack. Before you start lifting the car, you're going to unscrew the lug nuts. Now you're not going to unscrew them completely, you're just going to soften them up. They're not completely off, they're just loose. And now that all four lug nuts are loose, now we're gonna start lifting up the car. We're gonna move this tire out of the way. And we're gonna find the jacking point under the car. You see these two grooves right here? This is where you're gonna put the jack to lift up the car. Always consult your car manual for the exact jacking point. In this car, it will be right here. So we're gonna remove all of our tools for the jack. Oh, sorry, we don't need that. And this is all we need. We need a jack. That's all we need. We need to retract the jack all the way down so it can fit under the car. It still doesn't fit, so we need to go down a little bit more. And now we're gonna align it right under the groove and start jacking up. Okay, once you can't do it anymore with your hand, you're gonna get these two tools and place this one right here. So you're gonna get this tool, put it right here, stick this one in the hole, and now you're just gonna crank up. As you can see, the rear tire is off the ground, and now we're going to go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Put the lug nuts to the side, and just like that, the tire comes off. Sometimes the tire might be a little stuck, so you can just kick it in the bottom and it'll come off. This is a brand new vehicle, so the tire just comes right off. And there you go. So now, you're gonna bring the spare tire. Align the tire, mount it. I'm going to tighten them up as much as I can with my hand. But it is very important. It's very important when you tighten up the lug nuts that you do it in a star pattern. So you go, you know, don't go one by one. So just to show you, we're gonna tie this one, then we're gonna tie this one, then we're gonna tie this one, then this one, and lastly, this one. And that's pretty much it. You got your spare tire. And now you repeat the process and you just bring the vehicle back up. And there you have it, guys. We have the spare tire on. As you can see, there's warnings on the tire, and it lets you know that it's for temporary use only. So it is very important that you do not use these tires for high-speed driving, and that you only use them to get you to a tire shop. And that, guys, is how you change a tire on a car. If you enjoyed the video, if this video was helpful or informative in any shape or form, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe for more car content. That will really help me a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.